Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple AirTag. So let's get started. So if you're looking to reset it, first thing is we need to make sure we disconnect it from our phone. So in order to do that, you're going to open up the Find My app on your iPhone or any Apple device that you have the AirTag connected to that is using the same Apple ID that you originally used to connect your AirTag. Now once you have that, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this AirTag. By clicking on items here, if you're in any of these tabs, you should see your. Now, once you open it up, it's going to look like this. But if you go a little bit further, there's the option to remove item. So I'm going to go ahead and remove item. And it's basically remove my Apple ID from that AirTag as part of resetting. So I'm going to click on remove. And then as you can see, once it's removed, it'll need to be set up again. That's fine. We'll remove it. And it's spinning. And it will make a noise. And you should see it's gone now. And now we need to reset it on the actual device itself. In order to do that, all I do is, as you can see, there's a metal plate here. You're going to take two of your thumbs, press it downward and twist it counterclockwise. So again, that's the motion, is press it down and twist it counterclockwise, just about that, and then a plate will pop up here. You can take the plate off and you should see a battery that's a CR2030, and you're going to take it off. Try to place it like about 5 times. So I usually do 1 time, take it off again, 2 times. Each time you'll hear a noise, take it off again, 3 times, take it out, 4 times, take it out again, and then 5 times. You can take it out 1 more time, doesn't matter. But once you're done, finally we're going to take those metal bracket that we took off with the plate, line it up with the 3 dots, right? And then this time we're going to press it down and twist it clockwise till it stays in place. Again, it should sit just like this on the plate. And now we can take our phone, lock our phone, or basically reopen the phone. Make sure it's nearby. It should pick up our AirTag. And if it doesn't, you can click on Find My and then click on Add Item. And then you can click on Add an AirTag. It will start searching for it, and as you can see here, it's starting to search for it. I can hit connect now, then choose whatever you want it to be. Maybe I want it for my bike. And once you hit continue, it's going to show you your Apple ID and your phone number. Hit agree here, and once you agree, it's going to start setting it up, and we have basically reset our Apple AirTag and ready to be used on our device. And it shows up here, and now we can start tracking by putting this AirTag on our bike or whatever item you are looking to track. So that's how you reset your Apple AirTag. I hope this video is helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.